I've got two boxes of Boya BYM1. Guess which one is fake? Let's find it out. Hello my friends, this is my photo video lab and today I'm going to show you how to recognize real authentic Boya products. Last week I uploaded the video unboxing Boya BYM1 and a friend made a comment that this is fake product. I visited official site, entered the code and he was right. I contacted Boya support and they advised me to return the product to the store that I bought it. I returned the product, I got a refund and I bought an original one from a different store. But let's see how can we recognize original Boya products. At first look, these boxes look identical, but with a closer look we can spot the difference at this sticker. The original Boya has a glitter effect visible under light. Uncover the label surface and either scan the QR code or enter the serial number at the official Boya website. Coat the Boya logos with water and they will disappear. These logos reappear after wiping off water. Finally, coat this area with water-based pen and the letters will become black after removing excess ink. Let's go to the official site and check authenticity as well. Let's spot some main differences of the two products. Not only the logo is engraved better on the original one, but also the feeling is smoother. Also we spot some slight differences on the size of the logo and the fonts. Moreover, the original one has a QR code sticker on the back. The foam windscreen has different shape on the original one and the quality difference is significant. Let's make sound tests. Original Boya vs Fake Boya. This is real Boya BYM1 on Canon Eos M50 with auto sound level. This is fake Boya BYM1 on Canon Eos M50 with auto sound level. This is real Boya BYM1 on Canon Eos M50 with manual sound recording and the rec level at 50%. This is fake Boya BYM1 on Canon Eos M50 with manual sound level on 50%. This is real Boya BYM1 on Canon Eos M50 with manual sound level at 25%. This is fake Boya BYM1 on Canon Eos M50 with manual sound level on 25%. This is real Boya BYM1 on smartphone with auto sound level. This is fake Boya BYM1 with auto sound level on my smartphone. Drop a comment below and let me know your opinion on this microphone. Which part sounds better? I hope this video helped you to identify original Boya products. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Until next time, stay safe.